Hey y'all, I'm JD Mixon with Gilbert Collision Center in Okeechobee, Florida, here to answer another one of your collision center or body shop questions. After an accident, you'll need to get your vehicle to a collision center or body shop, and you might be wondering if you need to schedule an appointment before bringing your vehicle in for the estimate. Well, we know that everyone is busy, and sitting around at a body shop is rarely anyone's idea of a good time. To provide you with the most accurate repair estimate, we recommend scheduling an appointment first so we can allot the appropriate amount of time to inspect your vehicle. You can do that by clicking the link down in this video description or by calling us at 863-763-3154. While it seems like some collision centers and body shops work for the insurance company, Gilbert Collision Center will always work for you. That is the Gilbert Promise.
Gilbert Collision Center. We speak y'all.